Hello, this is Weldon Well Armed. Today we're looking at a Browning High Power. This one is a Mark III from 1993. It's in very lightly used condition. This was a surplus, but the grips, you can see they're almost brand new. There's no holster wear at all on this. It's still got the black, it's not parkerized, but it's not blued. But anyway, there's zero wear. There's no scratches anywhere. So anyway, it's you can tell it's a Mark III because it does have the ambidextrous, and you can look at the magwell area, and you can see the striations, and those striations mean the frame is cast, and so the metal is a little stronger and a little bit more durable than non-cast. So anyway, we'll take this to the range and shoot it and see how it does. And I think I'm going to take this out to Mk3 Firearms and have them do some custom work on it. So if you've got any questions, let me know.
Desirable. This has been very lightly used, if ever, and so I'm going to give it some shots and see how it does. Nice shooter. That was 10 rounds, so liking what I'm seeing. All right, gonna shoot another 10. Alright, this will be a total of 25 rounds, so 5 more. Not bad. Alright, so this is the Browning High Power. Great shooter, and we're going to do customization for this. This is a Mark III, so that means it's probably a 93. So anyway, we'll see you next time. This is Weldon Well. Have a great day and be prepared.